The arduous task of terminating each and every one of those cables in the basement has been my reality lately. Each cable has to be carefully prepared, tagged, connected, and documented for our eventual electrical inspection. To achieve the almost complete home automation in our house, hundreds of connections had to be made, and every switch, socket, and light needs to be individually identified and programmed in the automation software. The programming task alone is incredibly time-consuming, and it's taking me away from spending time with the little one. There's only so much TV you can watch on a laptop, so it's also been time to start preparing our luxuries, including mounting the TV on the wall, so we can start to settle down and relax a bit, in amongst all the piles of open boxes. The technical fit-out is still unfinished, with much of the data cabling still to go, not to mention we still don't have working light switches. This is another time-consuming process, as finishing the cabling is precise work that can take hours. While Aline is looking after our newborn, I am trying to fill my evenings with trying to get as much programming done as possible, and on weekends I'm trying to complete the fit out of the house in general, where progress is moving but continues to slow down. The kitchenette is done now, I promise. I've decided to install this ridiculous satellite dish on the roof so we can receive a plethora of TV channels, notably the free English and French broadcasts, without having to pay the exorbitant cable TV prices they're charging these days. Oh yeah, more cables. Okay, so it's a little over the top, but it's a fun toy and a distraction from the monotony of the renovation. And hey, look at the view from the rooftop. It's not just me that's working on the house, of course. Aline's also busy working to finish the rooms while our son sleeps. And if we thought we were exhausted before, we had no idea. In the last video, I mentioned that we were going to replace the tiles on the ground floor, and work has finally started to move towards that. And we think the result is going to look pretty nice. Meanwhile, in the basement, I still have to finish the technical fit-out, including the data communications installation, as is expected on a modern 2016 house, and this also represents a huge amount of work. We are left with mostly little tiny fiddly jobs. The house is still basically a construction site, and eventually I will get around to installing those damn light switches. And everything else. The good news is we're another step closer to no more builders or mess, and the end is in sight, especially once the entrance is taken care of. See you soon.